Hey kids, what's up? Today we are learning about place value. Let's go and look at the example so we can start learning. Come on guys, let's go. Here we have what I like to think of as a place value house. This is the home of the place values. Over here we have big brother hundreds, and in this room we have sister tens, and in the last room we have baby ones. Now in the place value house we have a rule that says we can only have one digit in each room. Remember that a digit is any number from 0 to 9. In this house, we can only have one number or digit in each room. That is the rule, and we have to follow it. So let's look at this number and put it in the right place. Here we have the number 50. The number 50 has two digits in it. The 0 is a digit, and the 5 is a digit, so they need to be in separate rooms in the house. So let's think about how many tens are in 50. We have 5 tens that make up 50. Now how many do we have in the ones place? We have 0. So we have 0 ones in the ones place. Let's look at the number 50 using our place value blocks. We know that to get 50, we need 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 0 ones. Each one of these tens blocks is made up of 10 ones. If I counted every individual block in these tens blocks, we would see there are 50 of them. Now what if we move the number 5 over here in the hundreds place? We cannot leave this middle room empty, so we're going to fill it with the number 0. Looking at this number, we no longer have 50 like we did before. Is this number a lot different than 50? With the 5 moving places, we now have 500. To show us this, let's get some hundreds blocks. To get 500, we need how many hundreds blocks? If you said 5, you are correct. We need 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. If we compare 500 to 50, we can easily see that 500 is a lot more than 50. So a 5 in the hundreds spot is a lot bigger than a 5 in the tens spot. It's very important to pay attention to which spot the numbers are in because this changes the value of a number. Let's look at another one. This is the number 6, and it is in the ones room. If we represent this number with blocks, we would have 6 ones blocks. So we have 6 in the ones place, but what if we moved the 6 to the tens place? Does that change anything? We can see the difference between the 6 in the ones place and the 6 in the tens place by using the blocks. Here we have the 6 ones, and here we have the 6 tens blocks. As we can see, there is a big difference between the 6 in the ones and the 6 in the tens. The 6 in the tens place has a value of 60, and the 6 in the ones place has a value of 6. Remember that we need to pay attention to what place the numbers are in. Now let's move the 6 over to the hundreds spot and see if this has a different value. So can you tell me what number this is? The number is 600. Great job, guys. We had the 6 in the tens place, which gave us 60, but now it is in the hundreds place, which gives us 600. Is 600 worth more than 60? It is worth more than 60. Our blocks can show us this. Each of these hundreds blocks represent 100 of the ones blocks and 10 of the tens blocks. Having the 6 in the hundreds place is definitely a lot bigger than a 6 in the tens place. We have time for just one more number to look at. In this one we have 2 digits. This is the number 27. To look at this number, with the blocks we would have how many tens blocks? 2 tens blocks, correct. How many ones blocks? We have 7 ones blocks. Good job. We have 2 in the tens place and 7 in the ones place, which gives us 27. But what if we move these numbers over to the next room? Let's do that and see what we have. We no longer have 27. What number is this? We have the number 270. Is the value of 270 bigger than 27? Yes, it is a lot bigger, and we can see that with the blocks. To get the 2 in the hundreds place, we need 2 hundreds blocks. And to get the 7 in the tens place, we need 7 tens blocks. and we have 0 in the ones place. So remember that when the numbers are in different places, they have different values, and knowing this will help you understand the difference between large and small numbers. Thanks for watching, guys. We will see you next time.